So start.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So last class we have taken the common class of what is the beneficial insect, what is the harmful insect, and what is the difference between. And we have also talk about this now, how many species of honeybee is there. So in this your syllabus, first topic is importance of beneficial insect. Okay, how many importance of beneficial insect? Many beneficial insect is there, like your bees, other insect also there. Then your sericulture, silkworm, different species of silkworm also there. Then lake insect. Then your biocontrol agents like predator and parasitoids. Then edible insect also there. Then some are pollinators, some are your scanvigerous, some are weed killer also there. Some insect they kill the weed also, so that is also important beneficial insect. So we talk about starting from, so first is pollinators. What is pollinators? Any insect that transfer the pollen from one place to another place is known as pollinators. And its transfer, and it is useful for pollinating the crops, and it's important. These pollinators are important for only these
One fertilizer.
yes sir.
How long it will take?
Half an hour starting. After that
Not based on 1 minute.
okay sir. That's okay.
For us to yesterday also we came and today also we came. So okay, na?
Okay sir, thank you. So we talk about the pollinators. What is the role of pollinators and how many percent? You see many crops that having increasing around more than 100% this yield of the crops, and overall estimated 45% of crop production is result from the insect pollination. So it is important, in which all pollinators, the honeybee is the important pollinator for all the crops. And then you Apis mellifera is also main responsible, because it is not a ferocious and not swarming type. So in your this northern India, some people take this Apis mellifera boxes in your mustard crop, and any other crops also take at the farmer field, and they also take the revenue from this farmer also for increasing the production of your mustard and other crops. So another non-apis bees also important pollinator of crop, especially for alfalfa, squares. Many crop is there. There is crop. Most of the cross-pollinated crop is pollinated by these pollinators, or most of the bees and other also many crop insect is there. Some are beetles, some are moth, also pollinating the crops. So next is, what is the important is natural enemies, because some are beneficial, some are harmful. So some are natural enemies also there, they control to the another insect. So in this we have divided into two groups. One is predator, another is parasitoid. So what is the difference between predator and parasitoid? Predator means they devour the directly of the your insect or other bodies. But in parasitoid, they living inside the body and they survive and only killing on the one host. But predator killing many hosts, and many host control to the this. But parasitoid is particular species, and a predator not a particular controlling particular insect species or harmful insect. So these are the some difference between predator and parasitoid. If you see the example of predator and parasitoid, predators like praying mantis, Chrysopolla carnea larvae is important predator for your sucking body insect. Most of the sucking body means like white flies, your aphid, jacid, these are controlled by these predators. And another, some eggs also edible by these are the predators. And another is parasitoid. Parasitoid is specific, that is the species specific. You know, important parasitoid is Trichogramma. Many species of Trichogramma is there, like Trichogramma japonicum, Trichogramma chilonis, Trichogramma. Many this species is there. Then other Bracon, Bravicornis, Brassicae, many species of this parasitoid is there. They control to the insect. If you see, natural enemies are responsible for 33% of natural pest control in the cultivated system. That is also important. This question: 33% overall natural pest control by the natural enemies. So next important beneficial, this is weed killer. You see, some insect is there, they kill the weeds. If you any example is there, anyone tell? Hello. Important example is there in India. You see, Zygogramma bicolorata. That is one insect. They controlling to the weeds. Which weed?
No.
Which weed controlled by the Zygogramma bicolorata beetle? That is also important. Okay. So many species of insect is there. They control to the your foreign weeds as well as Indian weeds. And also your Congress grass and many other also there, they control by the insect species. So that is also important for weed killer and for killing the weeds. Then next is soil builder. You know what is soil builder? Means they improve the health of the soil. What type of soil improve the soil health? They pouring into the soil and they increase the porosity and water holding capacity of the soil. You see the small dung beetle make the tunnel walls throughout the dung and also make dung balls. They helping to maintain the quality of the soil. And it's also insect also release the excreta to enrich the soil. So some are these are the example like beetles, ants, cutworms, larvae, cricket, termite, wasp is important for soil building. Then another is Scanvigerus, means it's feed on the dead or decaying matter of the plant or animals. That's why it's known as Scanvigerus. So this is also important characteristics of the insect and also beneficial for controlling to the dead or decaying matters like termite, your bark beetle, then water scavengers also there. Some ants also there. That is also important for controlling to the dead or decaying matter of the plant. This is also important character. Then another is production of honey and bee waxes. This is for your honeybee. I have already told 4 species of honeybee is there. They producing many type of product is there. First is honey. That is also important medicinal value and many value is there. Then other bee wax also there. We also talking in when we coming in this product of bees. So we were also talking this chapter, but these are the some product that we taken from the bees or honey bees. Another is bee wax. Wax also important for making many product. Then another is your pollen. Pollen also important and supplement for the diet. And then royal jelly. Royal jelly also important. That is released by the worker bees, and it is also good for you're making this cune and other important nutritive value also there or in this royal jelly. And another one, propolis, is also there. That is also very useful for many insect related. Then venoms, bee venoms also important, and then many medicinal value also there. This bee venom. Then next is production of silk. You know, silk is also important beneficial insect in India as well as in the bird. So in silk, 4 species is found in India. Then one is your Eri silkworm. Then commercial cultivation is mulberry silkworm. Then another is your Tassar silkworm. Then important species is Munga silkworm. You know what is the characteristics of Munga? Anyone tell? 4 species of silk is found in India. First is commercially available, that is the mulberry silk, Bobanks borai. Then Eri silkworm, then Tassar silkworm, and last is Munga silkworm. That rearing is very less and is found in Assam and this area. But what is the main character? Because Munga silkworm is only found in India, not found in any other country. That's why India is the monopoly for Munga silkworm. Or it's also important. Munga silkworm also important and very good quality, different quality is there in this Munga silkworm. So this is also important question that is coming in any exam and other which silkworm species that is the monopoly of the India. So that this is the Munga silkworm. So this is also good and it's also domestic silk famous for finishing and light color and many other also important. Your sarees and alls making from this silk. Then next important insect is lake insect. So lake is also producing the many lake, many use your telephoning wire and other many places your kangan and other material also making from this lake. So in this important species of this lake insect is Leucippus leca, and it's a hemipteran insect and it's important in all. Actually, this lake insect, many species up to 2 insect species is there in the world, but important species is Leucippus leca, and they producing the lake. Different type of lake, sea lake and seed lake and green lake, many type this is there. We will talk in next when this coming this chapter. Then another important character, 9th number, production of cochineal. One cochineal insect is there that producing the red dye. So this is also natural color. So that is not in India, but if you go to in America and other countries that commercially available. And in India also that one cactus is there. In this cactus, this red type of this this scale insect is there, the cochineal scale insect, and this producing the red color. So that is also important. And the name of this is Dactylopus and it's found in Mexico as well as India is also found, but that is not available in commercially. This color is not available and natural color is there. So this is also important. Next is tannic acid. Tannic, many insect that is also producing the tannic acid, that is also very important. If you see the tannic acid first produced by the abnormal plant growth found on the oak trees in Asia known as Elipogall. Okay, so what is Elipogall? Tiny wasp secretes some chemical in the responsible to the tree producing gall tissues. So that what chemical is produced? That is the tannic acid. Is chemical compound used for dyeing, leather industries, for tanning and manufacturing of some ink also from this tanning. So this is also important. This characteristics of the beneficial insect. Then next is insect as a food. You see in northern northeast India, many persons tribals area that using the different type of insect as a edible food. And in recent area, this is the important research area for entomology, and many project is running in this area. In our college also one project on edible insect is there. So what is the characteristics, what is the nutritive value of different this edible insect, and which, how many species is there? Around 300 species is found in this northeast India that edible is using by the most of the tribal areas, the tribal persons. So in which some using the silkworm, the larvae, this pupa of the silkworm using as a edible food, and then water bug is also important. There is big size of water bug is there. If you go to in your Google, that water bug is there. So that is also important, and eating by the many peoples of Northeast India and other countries also, like China, America, that many using this, and it is a future food for man maybe there, because it's a nutritive value is there and many other characteristics also there. Then white grub in Assam, one project is there, they totally work on this white grub, and grub is totally controlled, or adult of this white grub is controlled, Holotriga pennsylvania is controlled by peoples using as a food. So this is also important. And you see in previously many problem is there, that locust problem is there. You see when this video is also coming from Pakistan, Arabistan, and many this Arabian countries, this locust using, collecting the locust from the field and controlling it and use for the as a food. And you see many video is there that using this as a edible, and around 100, 200, 500 rupee kg available in the market, and many product also is coming of this insect food. So another is important, that is the medicinal value. Medicinal value also there, many insect producing the many chemical that is important for medicinal value, like your honeybee that producing the bee venom, that is important medicinal value for many diseases controlling by this bee venom. Then another canthridin also there, that is produced by one blister beetle. You know blister beetle? Anyone tell? Blister beetle. In rainy season that this beetle is coming, you see on, go to Google and you see the diagram of this blister beetle. Okay, why name is blister beetle? Because they producing the blister on your body. If you are attacking on your in night time in your skin, they release the one chemical that is canthridin, and they produce the blistering or the swelling type in your body. So this is also important, and the canthridin using for many treatment. So that is also important insect. So these are the some important beneficial insect and also important characteristics of the insect. So next is we will start the apiculture. We have already talked about the different species of bees, honeybees, but what is apiculture? First, we will start from the apiculture. So what is the apiculture? It is also known as beekeeping, is the art of caring for and manipulating colony of honeybees in large quantity or above the on requirement. Because in previously that is the wild, available in wild, no any caring of these bees, but recently last 70 to 80 years we will start the artificial rearing. We make the boxes, different type of boxes we make, Newton box and Longiston, many boxes is there. So we are making, and then we start the artificial rearing of the bees. Many species I have already told, 4 species of bees and 5-6 species also there, but 2 important species is there that is in India that domestically rearing. One is Apis mellifera, another is Apis serena indica, as well as Apis serena serena, and as well as Apis serena himalayans. So these are the about this apiculture. Then what is apiary? Apiary means where you location is used for rearing the honey bees. That area is known as apiary. Apiculture means rearing of honeybee, but that area using for your honeybee rearing, that is the apiary. Then another is bee pasture and bee forage. What is bee pasture and bee forage? Bee pasture means that area using for foraging, you're collecting pollen, nectar from the plant. That area is bee pasture or bee forage. So this 3 definition is there, and many times this question is coming like bee apiculture, bee pasture, and your apiary, definition of apiary. So this is about this. Then next is another some history also there. Honeybees originated from India and Southeast Asia. This is also important. in all over the world is going from this India as well as southeastern area. So this is also important. Another, and this is the one scientist, Alan Langston, found bee space, which is helped to improve the bees hives in 1851. So many times this question also coming, what is bee space and how many percent, how many centimeter of space is required for bee space. So that is the one scientist, Alan Langston, that given the or found the space, because bee space also important for moving the bees in the boxes. So bee space, or it is also known as passage, where to space required between the any two frame. Different, you see, in one box, two chamber is there. One is super chamber, another is your breeding chamber. In breeding and super chamber having different, around some are having 6 frame, some are having 8 frame, and size also different. Scientists making different type of size also there. Some are Newton type, this boxes is there. Some are Langston type boxes is there. So in super chamber or your breeding chamber, that having some 6 to 8 your frame is there. In between two frame, then some space is required for moving your bees. So that is known as bee space, and it's given by the Langston. And it's also useful for conventional between the comb and small comb and building comb to large to produce there, depending on the propolis. So this is also important, and that is also depend upon the species. If you are big size of species, means your mellifera requiring more space. In mellifera, you requiring around 10 to 12 centimeter space between two frame. But in your Indian bee, Apis serena indica, Himalayan, and this serena, that around 8 to 10 centimeter space is required. So this is the difference between the two species of this bee space. Then scientifically, beekeeping was started in India 1907 at Pusa Institute on Indian or Italian bees. Where is the Pusa Institute in 1907? Anyone tell? No, your voice not coming here. Any other?
Sir, Pusa, Bihar.
Bihar. First time in 1905, Imperial Institute of Imperial Agriculture Research Institute established in Pusa, Samastipur, Bihar. This place is Samastipur, okay? That is in Bihar. And after this earthquake in 1934, they transferred to the, shifted to the your IRI New Delhi. So, what is Pusa? Anyone tell? That is not related to this subject, but that is common question.
Sir, Philip from USA.
Yeah, very nice. That is scientist is there. They donated this land for this institute. That's why name is given. The IFS is the name of P, and USA means that is from USA. So another Newton. Please stop. Mute yourself. Okay. Then one Newton scientist is there, and they developed a hive in 1919 with mobile frame. That is name is the Newton bee hive. And in India, most of the using this frame, Newton frame, and successfully maintain a few hives at this called Kodaikanal Hills in the your Tamil Nadu area, and Kanyakumari also there. So these are the some history of this honeybee. So we have bee species. We have already talking 4 species and 5 species, 6 species, and characteristics also, diagram also we have given. So we will start the honeybee caste. How many caste of honeybee is there in one species? How many group is there? Because it's a honeybee is a social insect. This question also many times is coming. Who is the social insect? So that is the honeybee, as well as another is termite. Termite also social insect, and termite is also known as egg laying machine. Many times this also told that termite is a egg laying machine, because queen of termite giving per second per egg. So that's why their name is egg laying machine. So this question also many times is coming. So in your honeybee castage, uh, 4 group is there. One is queen, then another is drone, then third is your worker. Worker is the major group. Then another is soldier. 4 is caste of honeybee is there. So we will talk about the first. We will start queen bee. What is the role of queen bee and where we coming? Queen bee is a fertile female, larger than the other 2 caste, and he abdomen is swollen with eggs. This is important. Many times this question is coming. What is queen? Which type of queen is there? Which fertilized eggs given this queen female? And if you go for worker, worker having the unfertilized female. Workers also female, but that is the unfertile. So that's why this is the difference. And it's also size. Size also highest, biggest size of this bees caste is queen. Queen is the biggest size in all. On only in one box or one colony, only one queen is there. If you are replacing, then another queen is coming. Or if you are old, and life cycle also we will talk in next class. This biology of this honeybee also there. So another is each colony contain one queen only, and its head. After birth, the queen stay inside the colony for 5 to 10 days to grow to the maturity. After that, they start your eggs. Then you see if your size of this 3 group is there, worker and soldier are near to this. No any difference. Soldier is working only soldier and security of the colony, and workers they producing or collecting the pollens, nectars, all royal jelly. They all are produced by these workers. So lowest size in this group is worker, then another is drone, and biggest size is queen. So this is the difference between on the basis of size. So what is the another character of this queen? It's go out colony after mating. Mating is occurring in air. That is known as, many times this question also coming. What is nuptial flight? So several drone is coming. They mating to the queen. After that, they is coming, and after mating, all drones are killed. If you are not killing in outside, that worker are killed to these drones. This is also important character of in this honeybees. Another, after mating process, the stock of sperm of male bees go into the spermatheca. And this is also important. Spermatheca of queen, where they can survive for over 3 years. You see, after mating, only one time mating. After that, the sperm of this male is collected into the spermatheca of queen, and they store for 3 years. So this is also important. This question, and many times this question is coming. Spermatheca of the queen is storing of the male sperm. Then another mated queen return to the hives and start is the role of queen mother. They producing the eggs, and a queen lay up to 15,000 eggs per day. This is also important. First is your termite is also in termite also social insect, and they also producing this 1 egg 1 second. And second number, this your honeybee also important insect. They producing 15,000 eggs per day. So this is another bees having the highest egg laying capacity, and it is fed on royal jelly. You know what is the difference between worker and soldier and drone? Because starting is same, but if you requiring family is requiring this queen, they worker producing the royal jelly, that is fed by only and only by this queen. And what is royal jelly? Royal jelly is a highly proteinous enzyme and hormone-rich food produced by the worker bees. And many times this question also coming, which part of worker bee producing this royal jelly? That is the part of pharyngeal gland is found in insect in worker bees. They producing the royal jelly. Another, egg laying is controlled, also totally depend upon the availability of the royal jelly. If you are producing more egg, then more royal jelly is required to queen. And most of the queen, they live up to 2 to 3 years. This is also important, and effectively lay egg for survival and continuous colony is much shorter, and usually 2 years. Overall 2 years is the life cycle of this bees. Then worker brood cell receive fertilized egg, while the larger drone cell receive the unfertilized egg. This is also important difference between two workers and this. Then queen develop the producing organ. They develop the organ related works as a pollen basket, stronger mandibles, then brood food glands, wax gland, and many is there in different groups. Then another group is worker bees. This is also important, and maximum capacity in your around 80 to 90% in any colony, any boxes is worker bees. Important. Most of the all are workers, and some 5 to 10% that are your soldier, and only one queen, around 10 to 15 is drone. So this is the capacity of one colony. So what is worker bees? Worker bees is a infertile female. Worker also female but infertile, and your queen is fertile female. So this is the difference between the worker and this. Totally that is depend upon if your queen is producing, then require the worker producing the royal jelly is important. That change to the totally body of the your queen. So royal jelly is important, and that only feed by this queen, not on other your worker and drone not feeding on this royal jelly. A colony is called as weak or strong according to the number of workers. Worker is important. If your colony is weak, means your worker capacity is very less. If you see the Epicerena indica or Epicerena himalayan, Epicerena cerana, around 15,000 workers as a poor colony. If you are strong, then 80,000 workers is found in this. That means your colony is very strong. Then again, worker are sterile female and smaller than drone and queen. Smallest size of in these three species or three caste is this worker, and that underdeveloped reproductive organs due to the influence of pheromone produced by the queen. Why? Because that is the social insect. They producing, queen is producing some chemical pheromones. They reducing the your reproductive capacity of the workers. That's why it's known as sterile females. And any given time a colony may have 2 or more batches of worker bees and different male percentage, and a worker bee has a lifespan of only 6 weeks. This is also only 6 weeks, 40 to 45 days. This is the life cycle of this worker bee. But queen, they live up to 2 to 3 years. So this is the difference between the worker bee and your this queen. So another, for about 3 weeks following birth, they do the duties like feeding. What is the difference between before 3 weeks and next 3 weeks? 6 weeks life cycle of this worker bee is there. So in initially 3 weeks, what is do? That is duties like your soldier, like feeding the drones, nursing the young, secreting royal jelly, bee wax. So this time, this is also question many times is coming. What is which type of worker bee releasing the royal jelly? So you see, that is the initially 3 weeks. Only younger is producing the royal jelly. So this is also important. And also repairing the damaged comb, construction of new comb. That totally that depend upon the this starting young worker is there. And also cooling, ventilating. You see, if your winter is coming, they maintain the temperature of the comb. So this is also important character. Then cooling. If you are in summer area, then high temperature, they maintaining the temperature of the colony of the your boxes. So this is also important. Then next 3 weeks, what will we do? They going to outside field duties for foraging. They collect water, nectar, pollen, propolis, and honey proventriculars. So this is also important character. And many times this question also coming, which part collect the honey? That is the honey stomach is there. That is the part of proventriculus. So this question also coming. And workers does not have any individual existence, live for good for entire colony, it die in harness during the flight to flowers. So this is the important. And is some are in this soldiers also there, they protecting the colony of this bees. Then next group is drone. Drone, what is the difference between on the basis of size? Biggest size is your queen, second number is drone, third number is your workers. So drone are male, that is not female. Workers are female but unfertile. But males are, drones are males developed from the unfertilized eggs. Means they producing by parthenogenetically. So this is also important. They produce by the parthenogenetically. Means they're not without fertilization, they're producing the egg or your adult. So that's why parthenogenetically is known. Then male be produced in colony for mating, fertilizing the queen only. What is the work of drone? So that is only for mating and fertilizing the queen bees. So another larvae of development of unfertilized egg are headed by royal jelly and give rise to drone. Only small quantity. If you are more quantity is given, then goes to the making as a queen. But if small quantity given royal jelly, then they producing the drone. After mating queen, the drone dies. This is also important question. After mating with queen, the all drones are die. So when queen be return mated to him, the worker bees neglect the drones. This is also important character of this. All worker bees are neglect to these drones and also killed by the worker bees to these drones. So this is another character. If you see morphologically features, so these are the drone, worker and queen. These are the difference. Means eye meet our head. This is also then eye far away from the strip. Means in drone the eyes are near to both eye. Compound eyes is there, and that is both are near to this middle. But in worker they apart from the strip, means center. And in queen also there is are more differences there. Another abdomen black. Drone, if you go see in the colony, that most of the abdomen this drone abdomen is black, rectangular, blunt and without a sting. But if you go for see worker bee, it's striped, triangular with barbed sting. Sting is important character of these workers. Then queen, golden or black. That is also difference between golden means Apis florea, black color is Apis serena indica, and triangular. All are triangular but more elongated. That is because they having the eggs for 3 years. That's why the abdomen is biggest size. Then lifespan is 3 weeks for drone, worker 6 weeks, and queen is 2 to 3 years. So this is also important difference between 3 species. Another, this is the diagram for how to produce the different type of your drone, worker, and your your female. So unfertilized male producing the haploid, that is drone, and fertilized female, they producing the genotype and axis, that is producing queen, and genotypes they restricted after this, that producing the workers. And also another difference is there, all drones are haploid group and queen and worker are diploid group. So this is about today class. Any question?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.